Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Have you ever tried egg tart before? The silky, smooth, jiggly fillings, flaky pastry crust. It is a perfect combination of sweet and savory taste. It's very hard for me to resist. Today, I found a super easy recipe which only includes the simplest ingredients like the following: butter, sugar, eggs, cake flours, milk, optional vanilla extract. If you happen to have these items in your kitchen, follow the steps in this video and you will be able to enjoy the freshly made delicious egg tart in about an hour. Now let's get started. First, cut 5 tablespoons butter out. Put in a bowl, then microwave for 15 seconds to soften up. Then add 3 tablespoons sugar, mix until the texture becomes very smooth. Then crack 1 egg in another bowl. Add 1.2 cup of cake flour. Mix. Add the butter sugar batter in. Stirring and pressing until there's no dry flour. Everything got sticked together. Then cover with a wrap, put in the fridge to set for 30 minutes. While waiting, crack another 3 eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs. Then add 4 tablespoons sugar, 2/3 cup of milk, optional a few drops of vanilla extract, mix until everything got blended together. There will still be some lumps in the liquid, so it is a good idea to filter out the bubbles using a mesh drainer. I'll filter 2 times. You can see the liquid becomes really smooth now. I use my standard 12 muffin cooking pan. The paper cups are used to create some patterns on the crust, and it will be easier to take out. Get the dough out of the fridge, then divide the dough into 12 similar sized pieces. then rub it into balls. Fill in the cups. To make the crust, use your thumb to first press down to thin off the bottom. Then push the dough to the side with light squeezing up motion to build the slightly thicker edge. It will look like this. Then fill the cup with the liquid up to 3/4 of the cup. If you like, you can add some blueberries for varieties. Preheat the oven to 360 Fahrenheit. We're going to bake for 25 minutes. When the time is over, take it out. The egg tart is ready. It is not difficult at all, right? Peel off the paper. I just cannot wait to have a bite. The crust is crunchy and flaky like cookies, and the fillings is squishy and smooth, melting in your mouth like puddings. It's really tasty. This is how to make the egg tart with simple, natural ingredients. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy, easy home cooking videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.